We're here at IMTS basically to check out all the new technology available to us in the industry. We're a contract manufacturer and we service both the aerospace and defense side of it and also the medical device side of it. Our products go on a whole range of systems, everything from commercial aircraft to outer space. On the med device side of it, we do spinal fixation, we'll do instrumentation, high-speed drills. We're trying to bring more machinists on and all the support functions, engineers. If you are looking for opportunities, there's all kinds of opportunities. Machinist jobs are key. Process engineers, manufacturing engineers, CAD/CAM programmers. Some of those people go on to become production managers. It's very common for people to work themselves up through the ranks. Leadership is very good at backing us up with capital, and they will get us what we need to make our customers happy and grow our businesses. The growth in our industry is explosive right now, and we're tracking right along with that, which is a great problem to have.